Yes, student, today we are doing question number 3rd of exercise 8.2. So here is the question. If 10a plus b is equal to root 3, it is based on trigonometric table, and 10a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. The condition between the angle A and B is given. If we add both the angle A plus B, then their sum is greater than 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree. It means if we add both the angles, the value of A and the value of B, their sum will lie between 0 and 90 degree or maybe equal to 90 degree. One more condition is given. The value of angle A is greater than B. Find A and B. We have to find the measurement of A and B. So we are going to use the trigonometric table. Let us do the solution. It is given 10a plus b equal to root 3. Now we have to revise the table of the trigonometric table in which the value of 10 is given. So we have learned that 0 degree is equal to 0, 10, 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3, 10, 45 degree is equal to 1, and 10, 60 degree is equal to root 3. 10, 90 degree is equal to not defined. Now we have to see where the value of 10 is root 3. So we are observing 10, 60 degree is equal to root 3. Since on the left hand side we have the trigonometric ratio 10. So we have to find out the value of the same trigonometric ratio. So in place of root 3, we are going to write 10, 60 degree, or 10 a plus b is equal to 10, 60 degree. Why we have written 10, 60 degree? Because the value of 10, 60 degree is equal to root 3. Now on both the side we have 10, so 10 and 10 will be cancelled. We will not going to cancel them directly. If we take transpose one of them, they will change into inverse and automatically cancel. So you don't have to show by cancellation. Direct put the angle equal to angle. This implies that A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is equation number 1st. Now let us move to the second condition in which it is given 10 a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. Again on the left hand side we have the trigonometric ratio 10. So on the right hand side we have to find the trigonometric ratio 10 only, at which the value is 1 upon root 3. So again we have to revise the trigonometric table and we find that 10, 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. So in place of 1 upon root 3 we are going to write 10, 30 degree, or 10 a minus b is equal to 10, 30 degree. So 10 and 10 both will be cancelled and this will give angle equal to angle. It means a minus b is equal to 30 degree. This is equation number 1st. Now we have to solve equation 1st and equation 2nd. We are going to use the elimination method that we have learned earlier. Here we have the coefficient of b and the coefficient of b same, as well as the coefficient of a and coefficient of a same. If we want to eliminate a, as both of them have the same sign, it means we have to subtract. But if we eliminate b, then we have to add both the equation. So what we are doing? Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Why? Because we want to eliminate b. So first of all, I am writing both the equation. A plus b equal to 60 degree and a minus b equal to 30 degree. So these two will be cancelled. We get 2a equal to 60 plus 30, 90 degree. And when we transpose 2 to the another side, we will get 45 degree. So the value of a we have 45 degree. Now substituting the value of a in any of the equation, first or second. So I am taking equation number first. From equation first, 45 in place of a, I am writing 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree. Now transposing 45 to the another side, we'll get b equal to 60 minus 45. So subtracting both of them, we'll get 5, 15 degree. So here you can observe the value of a is 45 degree and the value of b is 15 degree. It means a is greater than b, as it is given in the question that a is greater than b. So we have got the value a greater than b. And if we add both the values, let us find the value lie between 0 degree and 90 degree or is exactly equal to 90 degree. So this you can check in the rough. 45 degree plus 15 degree. If we add both of them, we are getting the value 60 degree. So 60 degree is between 0 degree and 90 degree. It means all the condition that is given in the question is satisfied. Thank you.